Hey, good morning, Stephen here. So today we found ourselves in a small little town in the southwest coast of Nicaragua, San Juan del Sur. And today we're gonna go on an adventure. We're gonna do a street tour. I'm gonna show you guys this incredible little place, and we're gonna climb a mountain. And we're gonna go see Christ of Mercy, as they call it. And it's one of the largest Jesus statues in all the world. Who knew? I didn't. But today we're gonna go check it out. But before we go, I gotta start my day with some coffee, and we're gonna go to this amazing little place that we discovered yesterday while we were here, Indio del Sur Coffee Shop. Let's get going. Coffee has arrived.
Yeah, it's really organic cashews.
Oh wow, you can taste it, so fresh.
How do you roast them?
Well, we put it in the urn for roasting.
Oh, like a coffee type room?
Yes.
Oh, okay,
yes.
same idea.
But we sell raw cashews too.
Okay.
But the raw cashews is more better for like make cashews milk.
Oh, for making milk.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah, these are, oh wow, so good.
Okay,
Thanks
guys.
a lot, man. Really
Have a
appreciate
good
it.
day.
You too. Take care. So that gentleman was walking around selling freshly roasted, harvested cashews. Oh my goodness. And they're excellent. Wow. Some cashews and coffee for breakfast. Hey, bro. Gracias. So right up here is the Christ of Mercy statue and the mountain that we're going to climb today. This is the beach area, San Juan del Sur. It's a gorgeous beach, busy beach. But today, our mission is to climb right here. like the directions that they've got here? No, and see? Means don't go right. Well, we're almost to the top. There's a pretty steep road that goes right from San Juan del Sur. It's only maybe a 10-minute walk. Easy enough, but there are shuttles. If you don't feel like climbing up the hill, you can take a shuttle. I think the shuttles are $2 or $3, and they take you right from the center of San Juan del Sur right up to the top here. The views, absolutely amazing. Check out this view, guys. Wow, just absolutely incredible. San Juan del Sur is a small beach town of about 15,000, roughly 15,000 people. Was a fishing town at one time, and over the years, a lot of tourism has come here. There's lots to see. There's a series of beaches that go up and down the coast here, and we're gonna go on a beach tour. Maybe in a day or two. That'll be a separate video. Today I'm just gonna try to get up this mountain, have a look at Jesus, see what he's up to up there. So we made it in. There's a cover charge to get in. It's 70 Cordoba, or about roughly $2 each. And we've made it to the top. And my goodness, is the view incredible. Check this out, guys. Wow. And right over here to my right, is the giant statue of Jesus. He's overlooking the bay here in San Juan del Sur. I'm just gonna sit up here for a little while and really take this all in. It's so incredible. It's January 3rd and the weather is absolutely beautiful here. There's a nice breeze up here. Awesome. what a great day that we had today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little tour of San Juan del Sur and the Christ of Mercy. That's going to wrap up this video, and I want to thank you guys for all of your support. And if you haven't already, take a minute, hit that subscribe button. Follow us around as we travel around Central and South America. I really appreciate your support, and thank you guys so much. We'll see you at the next one.